Welcome back. Last set of slides we were talking about organizational behavior and what it is managers do. So here we see those same things happening again. We have planning, organizing, leading, and controlling, right? And all those happen throughout the organizations, right? To get those things finished, right? Planning is the what we're going to do. Organizing is the how we're going to organize to make that happen. Leading is the influence to make those things happen, and controlling is the monitoring function where we keep track of what's going on and we take the corrective action if necessary. Right? To do those things, right, we're going to work through the human resources, right? So the people, not just the people in our organization, but it might be other external people. It could be our suppliers, it could be our customers. Maybe we hire consultants to help us get the job done. Financial resources. Maybe part of this project entails an advertising budget, or we have to buy machinery, right? So we have financial requirements for our whatever it is we're executing on, whatever this thing we're trying to do. Physical resources, right? We might need to use things to get this job done. We might need a store space, warehouse space, access to machinery, factory. We might need a delivery van to drive things around and deliver them. It could be and lots of other machines. It could be a bulldozer, right, to move earth around. So and it could be, and often it's building space, office space, things like that, right? And then information sources, right? So we need access to computers, we need access to the internet, we need access to databases, we have servers, right? We need and the information that's on those servers. Right? Often those things are invaluable in helping us get done whatever it is we're trying to do. So managers have to use these four things: human resources, financial resources, physical resources, and information sources to help them through the planning, organizing, leading, and controlling. Right? There's a lot going on when you're a manager. You have to use lots of things to make things happen. Right? And we're going to do all this to try to be effective and efficient in the attainment of our organizational goals. Right? We use those words a lot: effective and efficient. So what's the difference? So we have, if we are efficient, it's a measure of how well or productively, that resources are used. So for instance, we want to get the most bang for our buck, which means we want to get the most work out for the most work in. That's more of a scientific definition of efficient. Other people might say we're going to do things the right way, right? To do things the efficient way is to do things the right way, the best way. To be effective is not the same as efficient. To be effective is we want to do the right thing. So we want to do the critical things that are going to spell attainment of our goals, that are going to mean success for our organization. So if efficient is to do things the right way, effective is to do the right things. So efficient, do things the best way, do things the right way. Effective, do the right things. It's not uncommon. Good-meaning people will work very hard and very efficient on the wrong goals. So the net result is they have no impact to the organization achieving its goals. Right? That would be being efficient, but a lack of effectiveness. Think of it as you're traveling in a car. You're making good time. There's no traffic. You're driving the speed limit or higher, but you're going the wrong way. Right? You're being very efficient in your travel time, but you're being very ineffective because you're not going to the right place.